Are you looking to breathe cleaner air but stuck between the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 and the 4 Lite? Don't worry, we got you covered. So let's break down the key differences so you can make the best choice for your home. First off, the design. So both the Air Purifier 4 and the 4 Lite have the sleek, minimal Xiaomi look, but the 4 Lite is slightly smaller, making it easier to place in tight spaces. So if you need something for a smaller room, the Lite version might be a good to go. Now, let's come to the performance. So the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 has a more powerful filtration system capable of purifying the large areas and filtering on up to the 99.97% of the particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns. The 4 Lite still does an impressive job, but it's better suited for the small spaces and doesn't pack the same punch in the larger rooms. Now, one major factor is the clean air delivery rate, which is CADR. So, the Air Purifier 4 offers a higher CADR of 400 cubic meters per hour, while the light version comes in an 360 cubic meters per hour. So, if you need faster purification for bigger spaces, the Air Purifier 4 edges out here. So in terms of power consumptions, the 4 Lite is more energy efficient, saving you a little bit on electricity. Plus, it comes at a more affordable price point. But if you need the extra power, the Air Purifier 4 might be worth the extra investment. So which one is better and which one should you buy? So if you are after the performance and the large room coverage, you can go with the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4. But if you need something compact and budget friendly for a smaller space, the 4 Lite is a fantastic option. You can also check out the Amazon links in the description to pick the one for your needs. Thanks for watching.